Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal for those of you who are new. I'm a big project planner and I am so excited. I have one more month left before my project plan ends. I did start late if you're new. March 25th is when I did start. But today I have this from Beauty Concepts. This is their tinted lip gloss. So I believe this was around Christmas time when they had these. I don't think this is sold anymore, but I'm sure they probably have some of these same colors sold separately. I got these from Marshalls, so if you're interested in seeing what all these shades look like on my lips, just keep on watching. I just took them all out of the package, so this is what all of them look like. I'll just go one by one. This is what the first shade looks like, and it says Beauty Concepts, but it doesn't say any names on here, and doesn't say any names on the back of this as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'll swatch it on my hand, and then I'll put it on my lips for you, just to show you the color. That is pretty. It's just like a kind of pink color here. So I do have a Kleenex to make sure I get all this off so I can show all of you without mixing together. So up close, this is what the wand looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. This is really pretty, actually. Seems like I need to dip twice. But it seems to be a really pretty shade. So I want to make sure I get most of my lip here. Okay, so that is the color. That is really pretty. It feels really good on the lips as well. And it has a little bit of a shimmer, as you can see. I really like this one, but I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Okay, so here is the next one. It's a little bit darker, so that's what it looks like. And I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hands next to the other one that's quite a bit darker, actually. So again, this is what it looks like on the wand. But I'm just going to grab my mirror and apply it. And this one is, oh, these are just really pretty. I'm not going to put as much on because it seems like this is going a little bit longer. Probably didn't need to put as much on the last time. So that is what it looks like on the lips. It's very pretty. I actually really like this. I guess I have to be more careful with the side of my lips here, but I really do like the color. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this one off. Sorry, just trying to take it off. Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. So this next one is this shade here. It seems more rosy maybe, not as dark, but we'll know by the swatch. So that is the color here. It's the third one. So it is really pretty on the hand. Let's see. This is almost like the actual shade of my lips, honestly. Not much different. So that's the shade here. It's really pretty again. This is almost the exact shade of my lips. Maybe just a little bit of tint and a little bit of shimmer. There's not that much difference. So try not to get this all over my face as I'm trying to take it off. It seems a little bit of a wet formula. It's not sticky at all. So this is the next one here. I like this shade. This is really pretty, maybe for, well, I could use these any day, but this one seems like a good every day. So that's the shade here. Really pretty. Love the purpley pink. Oh yeah, look at that. That is pretty. This is, it does have a smell. Okay, these have a slight, like a sugar smell maybe? I didn't smell it with the rest of them, but this one definitely does. I want to go ahead and smell the other ones, but I'm pretty sure they're probably going to all smell the same. But this is a really, really pretty shade. And probably the lightest I've tried so far. Sorry, I know I'm doing this. I'm trying to do it quick. Okay, and the last two shades are not pinky. They're more brown, and one is a clear. So I'll go with the brown first. Or I would, no, maybe this isn't brown. Maybe this is like, I would say a peach, maybe. It's hard to tell. I'm just going to go ahead, swatch it. Definitely more peach, not brown. Or like almost like a clear with a slight tint. So go ahead. That is very pretty. And this one doesn't have as much of a scent. That's weird. Now I'm wondering if only certain ones have a scent, but that's really pretty. I like this quite a bit. Although I do like the pinks better. That's just a preference for me. I just like pink. I do like clear, but this would be a really good shade to have over a lipstick maybe. Really pretty. I'm running out of room on this cloth to take my lips off, or my lip gloss off. Alright, so the last one here is this one here, and I can't even, it looks almost whitish. Can't even tell you what shade this reminds me of, but let's just see here. Yeah, it's very, very, almost like a white. So go ahead and apply it. This one doesn't have a scent either. Oh yeah, do you see that? That's very, almost like a white on my lips. Uh, yeah, I kind of figured. Out of all of them, I don't like this one the most. It might be okay on top of like a lipstick, but by its own, it's not really my favorite. But now I'm kind of curious to see how many of these actually have a smell. If it was just that one, that's kind of strange. So again, I'm going to try this one. This one does not have any scent at all. Let's try this one here. I don't know why some would and some wouldn't. That one does not. Okay, so let's try the pinks. This first pink is this one here. This one definitely has a sugar sweet smell. That might have been the one I saw or that I smelled the first time. And then there's this one. Let's try this one here. Oh no, almost got on my nose. This one does not. So weird. This one here. I'm just curious at this point. Nope, that one doesn't either. And the last one. No, that is so strange. So out of the whole set, these do not have any scents, but this one does. This is very strange. I do like the scent on it though. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, I hope you consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.